Well, here I am again, out in the desert near our place, southern Arizona, and I wanted to show you the awning. So I tried to get out somewhere where it was quiet. We'll see if the wind is in, we'll see if the wind is my friend today, and we can get this video in so you can see. So I'm gonna try to do this, set up the awning while I film. This may be entertaining, and we'll see how it goes. So zipper right in the middle, can go both directions. It's ARB bag, of course. Not.
It sound right, boys.
Okay, it does take just a few minutes to set up usually. Micah designed the hub here. You can see those aren't scratches, those are still some wipe marks from where I did some marking and trimming. But really great design and a lot of shade. As you can see, in the desert, we are very vulnerable without substantial amount of shade. So this provides a lot of shade space off of the Blue Steel Overland camping trailer. Folks that follow the channels named the Blue Steel, good jobs I think. And of course that follows the theme of the original Blue Burrow that tows it all. And I'll show it to you from this outside and do a little walk around, and then we'll talk about some of the design features. Just an FYI, I talked to a couple of other guys last weekend that have built one of these, and each of them made their own modifications as well. Some we make are great and some are not. I already have some things I have to fix and or change, but not from Micah's design. Everything that Micah did was really, really good. This bag, this fitting, the housing, the hinge that holds everything is really top notch. Really great quality. And the whole thing, I've been through some really heavy wind already and really did not impact this. The difference in mine was I took a chance and I ordered a rain fly from Amazon, and blind luck on my part, but every one of the bolt points landed on a reinforced pocket. So not a pocket, but a reinforced edge or corner. You can see each one of those thoroughly reinforced. Even this one over here. I mean, couldn't have been more perfect. I did not plan it. It worked out in my favor this time. Sometimes it does and sometimes it does not. But I'll put the link to this canvas. It's listed as a rain fly and a couple of other things. I'll link that in the description below, as well as I'll link to Micah's playlist where you can watch him build this, and he did a great job. Be sure to download the plans from his website, man. He's put a lot of time and energy into this, and you got to at least minimum get those plans. They worked great. I cut them out of the paper. It's 1-to-1 if you scale the paper right and cut it out in the steel, and it really worked well for everything. Really love this thing. It already a couple of times has been a lifesaver. It was so hot a couple days that everybody was gathered up in chairs, tucked all in the shade here of this thing. But again, Micah from Overland, under budget, did these designs. I think they're brilliant. They work great. I went over budget because of the canvas by about 10 bucks. So Micah was 150-ish, I think, or under 150, and I was maybe a smidge over 150 in total dollars spent on steel, hardware, everything. I've got some different hinges that'll go on these risers that are a little bit simpler. It's just going to be a weld-on simple hinge that folds back. And then I'll use the lock pins just to hold them upright, because as we get a lot of wind here in the desert, sometimes they're going to need a little bit extra help staying in place and not rocking. The bag has been great. I'd say 2 to 3 minutes to set up and maybe 5 minutes to tear down. The other thing I didn't cover is my difference. The difference that I did was the extension. This canvas fits to where it extends a little bit further. So I got the legs, gives me another about 4 or 5 feet of shade, which more shade is always better in the Sonoran Desert. So Mike here with Desert Jeep Rat. Follow the channel. If you haven't followed the YouTube channel, follow that. Or on the grams or whatever, you know, the other socials. Follow me there. You'll see wild rides and off-roading and camping and some dog stuff, and some occasionally I like to smoke. I'm a big meat smoker. So you will see that kind of stuff on the channel. Occasionally a how-to, and I'm also in the process of building 2 1950s Willys Overland trucks. So I know some of you folks are really excited about that content. I've been stalled a little bit on parts, as almost everyone in the world is right now. So we should have some videos rolling out for that. For the Willys Overland truck build.